you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you.
Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I am doing an all day clean with me, but I am diving in a little bit deeper and doing a good deep clean of areas that often get missed. So this is quite a nitty gritty, grimy video. So if you need the motivation to dive deep into your house, don't forget to subscribe for weekly motivation and also leave this video a thumbs up.
Tell what you wanna hear now, but they all disappear, they will let you down.
So this video isn't going to be too much of a chatty one. I've picked some music that should really help you get motivated. I know that it motivated me because I'm not always motivated either. So I've picked some music. I really hope you like it, and I hope that you get all the motivation that you are looking for today.
But you're trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather, we're heading for tonight. You better take what you can, cause the time is right now. We only need the two of us. We better stick together, let's come whatever. We're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right.
So I've decided today is going to be the day that I clean these blinds, because next door is either still in bed or out, but either way their blind is closed and their window marries up with our window, so I can never really stand at the window without it looking like I'm just staring into their house, so that's really awkward. But now their blind is closed, I am seizing the opportunity and cleaning these blinds because they are filthy. It's not just dust that I could just wipe off like when the blind is closed, because I did try that because it'd be a lot easier, but it's actually just stuck on. So yeah, it took me a good half an hour to get these blinds done, but they're actually looking white now instead of grey, so I am really pleased that I managed to get this done today.
Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. I can see you looking at me. Yeah, my eyes are open wide.
park and a few brave stars. I give you the moon and my all is yours. Don't hesitate, just give me your all. Just give me your all. So let's fly into a dream I won't deny. I'll show it love, let's go for gold. Let's go for gold. If we ever was lost before, now we finally found our way. And love is stronger than anything. We will make our own way. Night is over the park and a few brave stars. I give you the moon and my all is yours. Don't hesitate, just give me your all. Just give me your all. So let's fly into a dream I won't deny. I'll show it love, let's go for gold. Yeah, yeah. Let's go for gold. So let's fly into a dream I won't deny. I'll show it love, let's go for gold. Yeah, let's go for gold. Yeah. You say you're fine, but I can see.
If you'd like to follow me on more of a daily basis and have some instant tap to cleans every Sunday, and then just see a little bit more of behind the scenes of my life and what I'm up to, then head over to my Instagram and give me a follow over there. I will leave the link in the description below.
No, we're gonna find them, and I'm gonna fight for you. They better start hiding. We'll be running with the lions, lions. We'll be running with the lions, lions. They can't run, they can't hide. We won't stop until they're down. We'll be running with the lions, lions. I'll go through fire.
So I have been asked a few times now how I maintain my high gloss kitchen cabinets, and to be honest, I don't really do a lot. I just wipe them over with a damp microfiber cloth with any disinfectant really. Today I'm using the pink stuff, but I use Dettol spray as well, and honestly just any disinfectant, but the fingerprints is a problem like all the time. As soon as I finish and then I open a cupboard, there are fingerprints again. So yeah, you're not alone with that. Mine are always covered in fingerprints.
They can't run, they can't hide. We won't stop until they're down. We'll be running with the lions, lions. We're gonna find them. La 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 la. They better start hiding. We'll be running with the lions, lions. We'll be running with the lions, lions. They can't run, they can't hide. We won't stop until they're down. We'll be running with the lions, lions. 'Cause you're not alone in this. We'll do this together. No, you're not alone in this.
If you enjoy Clean With Me videos, please do consider subscribing to my channel before you leave. I post a Clean With Me every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel, so you'll get loads of motivation, and it really does mean the world to me to have you here. To everybody who has liked this video, commented down below and shared it with a friend, it means the absolute world to have your support, and I just wanted to say thank you so much. I just wanted to quickly pop on before we get to the grimy stage, just to let you know that for the shower screen doors I am using the washing up liquid and white vinegar, but you really don't need to use a lot of it. I've gone through quite a lot of washing up liquid thinking that I needed more than I did, but it does soap up really well and it spreads really well. So yeah, don't waste the washing up liquid like I did, because you only need a little bit.
Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, in my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me, won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Wide awake is the way that I wanna be by your side. I wanna be by your side.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you found all the motivation that you were looking for today, and if you did enjoy it, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, because it would mean the world to me, and also leave this video a thumbs up, and I will see you back here on Tuesday.
Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out